from this to this. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I maintain this Brazilian hair, and I'm going to leave the video of the installation in the description box down below, so you can go check it out if you want to know how I did install the hair. You want to start working sections. Okay, so right about now I'm just splitting the hair into two, and then I'm going to use my fingers to run through the hair just to detangle it, and then after which I'll just take my water. I didn't add anything in the water, so I'm going to use it to to spray onto the hair just like so, and then with my white tooth comb I'm going to use it to comb the hair. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Jena Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy watching hair tutorials. If you want to learn how to do different hairstyles, please be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Like I mentioned in the previous video, when I was installing this hair, you need to comb this hair, like you'll have to. Okay, if you're that person who doesn't love combing hair, then this hairstyle might not sit well with you, because this is the only way you can get to maintain this hair. As you can see, you don't have to use blow dry to straighten the hair. You can just be using, and I highly recommend that you use a white tooth comb, because you're not going to lose so much hair while combing. Okay, so make sure you have one, and this is what I mean. Okay, so you don't lose too much hair while combing it. Okay, so hope you're going to find this video helpful, and if you will, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So I'll just let this video play, and I'm hoping that you're going to learn a thing or two at the end of the video. So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.